Hello everyone, this is Alex from Studio, and in today's video I would like to share with you an experience I had recently. Well, I needed to stop a mining pool, and for this I've used Vultr hosting service, for which you can find a link down below in this video. And the first thing when you set up a server, you need to get it accessible. Basically, get your web page accessible, and for this we usually use Apache2 server. The problem I had with this is the fact that I was doing this for the first time, and I didn't find any quality tutorials on how to set up Apache Server 2 on Vultr or any other web hosting. So I've started digging, I found a solution. Today I would like to share with you how to install Apache2 server on Ubuntu using a command line, which is super easy. So let's get in the terminal and I will show you how we can do this. We are going to stop our Apache Server 2 and make it available from the web browser. So for this video I'm going to use Vultr hosting. I'll be putting a link down below for this. Okay, we are going to products, deploy new server, high frequency, use select location. I will use default at Sweden, Stockholm. Operation system, you can have a variety of selection of the operation systems, but I use Ubuntu, which is most commonly used for servers, 18.4, basic plan, okay, and deploy. You can see that our server is deploying at the moment, so we will need to wait a little bit. Okay, you can see that our server is running. Let's check it. Okay, so over here we have our IP, root, and our password, which we can see over here. Let's see if we can access our IP address, paste it, and you see that there's nothing happening. Okay, so let's log in into the server and make it available on the website. Now we'll need to SSH to the server to get the control of the machine and install our Apache2 server. Okay, so for this we'll need to use terminal. The process is the same for Windows, Linux and Mac. Works basically the same, so you should have no problem to do the same thing from Windows. So to do this we need to write SSH, then our username, which is root, then at the IP address of the server, paste, okay, and enter. It will ask if we have a key, which basically says if we have a password. We do, so type yes, enter. Okay, now it wants to know our password. We copy this password, paste it over here and press enter. Okay, now you can see that we are inside the server. Let's make it a little bit bigger. Okay, so first of all we will need to write sudo apt update to update our directory. Okay, this is pretty straightforward. Next is sudo apt install Apache2, enter. Okay, yes. Okay, we are installing Apache2 right now. You don't need to memorize all those commands because in the video description I will be putting them all in text format, so there's no need to do so. Okay, so we have installed our Apache. Let's see if we can access now our Apache web page. No, still unavailable because we need to do one more command. And this command will be sudo ufw app list. Okay, we have available application Apache full C. Okay, now we'll need to activate it. Sudo UFW allow Apache. This will allow Apache to start working. Oops, one moment. We need different breaks. Yes. Enter. Okay. Wait a minute. My mistake. Instead of allow. Okay, now it's going to work. Okay, related, everything added. Let's see if our web service is available. And you can see that we have our default Apache page on our IP address for the server. And from here, you can do your magic. So now you can see your server is up and running. And if you like this video, hit that thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for similar content. This was Alex from Albo Studio, and I hope to see you soon in my upcoming videos. Take care.